This here is the Barwell coffee roaster, bean roaster. $81 shipped on eBay. Highly recommend it. I'm not a seller of these either. I really like this, that it's so easy to clean. Very easy to use. Excellent results. Right now the beans are just starting to go from yellow to the light tan. And we should start getting our first crack. Where I pull it, I find it to be the best, sweetest coffee thus far. Thanks for watching. Turning a beautiful tan, light brown. It's been about 10 minutes. I preheated the Barwell for about 2-3 minutes. 350 grams of beans went in. They'll make more than a pint. They'll weigh approximately 275 grams with the moisture lost. There's a lot of glare. I just heard one crack. They start slow. Another crack. I'm not sure if you can hear it. That glare is coming off my windows. I can't find a better place, so I'll give it a little more color and then I'll pull them. I like the light roast the best. Dark roast is just a bit too bitter for me. I grind this for espresso. I think these beans came to me a little dry with low moisture. I don't get the cracking like I get from the Guatemala beans that I've had. So in that case, sometimes you have to go by color. There were a couple cracks, but not many. Certainly not as many as there are beans. I don't go any longer than 20 minutes for the light roast. I still have 7 minutes left. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it.